Hi students, this is Mrs. Alejos. We're going to learn how to draw 3D forms from our shapes, and then we're also going to learn how to shade them. And I'm going to use charcoal. For a circle, we don't have to worry about that. We'll use charcoal for that. For the cube, I drew a double square, and then I connected the corners. For the cone, I just drew a smiley face at the bottom, so it wasn't quite so straight. And then for my cylinder, I drew an oval at the top and then a half oval at the bottom. That's going to make that round curve. I'm going to use some charcoal, or you can use some black chalk. And for the circle, it's now going to become a sphere. So the light is shining from the top left, like a flashlight. And so the bottom part doesn't have any light. That's where all of the shadow and darkness is. And I'm pressing pretty hard in the black, and as I get towards the light, I'm pressing lighter and lighter. And then I smudge to the bottom so it looks like there's a little shadow. For the cube, for us looking at the picture, when we're done shading, we're only going to see 3 sides instead of the 6. So one side is going to be really dark, and then my front one is going to be like a middle gray. The middle gray is pretty hard. The top could have stayed white and it would have looked like an open box. I'm going to try and make it a solid by coloring in the top. And see if I can fix that middle one a little bit. Might help if I had erased that little line. It would look more solid. But right now it looks like an open box. And then I put a little smudge to the side. For my cone, again, my light is shining from the side, so the dark part gets the darkest value. And then I smudge lighter and lighter as I get to the other side of my cone. Before you smudge all of this, you could probably erase those extra lines. For the cylinder, once more, the side that doesn't have light is really dark. So I'm pressing as hard as I can and getting a lot of chalk dust, and that's going to help me smudge my other values. For the cylinder, it helps if you go like a smiley face smudge, and you'll have more of a curved look. The top of my sphere is just one color. It's not going to have any dark or light. And that will look more like a flat surface. And then my last smudge to the side.